This is a Magnavox turntable record changer. It's the Collaro W700 800 series. I've gone through and cleaned all the old grease out of the cycling cam and all the trip levers, and cleaned the bearings in the motor. It's got a brand new needle on it as well. Works nice and smooth, very quiet. You can see underneath here. And this listing is just for the turntable itself. There's no base included. This is just to drop into your existing console. It's got a unique sizing mechanism. Tone arm will check for record size. Good sound out of both the right and left sides. Got a cueing mechanism, and of course the end of play works just fine as well. Tone arm will now check to see if there's any records on board. When none is sensed, then it turns itself right off. And I've packed these numerous times and do a very thorough job so it arrives safely.